BNB Vault. About BNB. BNB is a token issued by Binance. It runs in Binance's ecosystem and is the native token of Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. BNB has multiple use cases. For example, we can use it to pay for network transactions on Binance Chain. Within the Binance Exchange ecosystem, it is used as a utility token that allows users to receive discounts when paying for their trading fees. It can also be used as offline payment in some areas. What's BNB Vault? Binance introduced a new product, BNB Vault. One-click earning for your BNB holdings. BNB Vault is a capital guaranteed investment product with an easy-to-use interface. It can help users maximize the income potential of your BNB from both centralized and decentralized finance in just one step by integrating various Binance products and the Binance ecosystem. Also, it allows BNB HODLers to maximize the yields and get all the benefits from every opportunity available. With simply one click on BNB Vault, BNB will be flexibly allocated in different products to help users maximize the potential rewards. You can easily stake BNB with the following features. Easy to stake. One-click earning of multiple income benefits. Flexible to remove your assets whenever you want. How to subscribe to BNB Vault. Click Finance, Binance Earn, and click BNB Vault page. On the product page, click Stake to subscribe to BNB Vault. Read and tick the service agreement and input the amount of BNB you wish to stake. You can then participate in BNB Vault with just one click and enjoy high returns. And you can click Unstake to unblock the corresponding assets at any time. You can choose Fast Redemption or Standard Redemption. Fast Redemption means you can redeem your assets on the same day. Standard Redemption means your assets will arrive the next day, but you can still earn today's reward. What benefits can I get from BNB Vault? Your staked BNB assets can be viewed under My Shares. Details on your rewards are displayed under My Rewards. And click Distribution History. You can find your distribution record history. BNB Vault works as a BNB yield aggregator that combines the multiple income benefits of Launchpool, savings, DeFi staking, and more through just one interface. BNB Vault also unlocks the potential of creating a series of products around BNB in the future. Your rewards will be distributed to your spot wallet. With BNB Vault, you still get access to the standard advantages of holding BNB, such as airdrops, launchpad eligibility, and VIP benefits. Explore BNB Vault, a new feature on Binance Earn that combines the multiple income benefits with simply one click.